Thank you. Bye. Ayun. Palabas na tayo. So, dito na lang tayo sa bus station natin, guys. Which is alas 8 pa naman yung bus natin. So, hanapin lang natin. So yan, dito na tayo sa London officially. At alas 6 tayo alright guys, it's 6 o'clock at night and it's April 5 2024. Our arrival at Terminal 2 here in London. So after almost 12 hours flight, we are now back in our second home, United Kingdom. Alright, I'll take more video when we get out of this plane. Alright, that's it. I'm a bit tired. Back home again. Okay, see you later. Bye. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Done.
Small town words are filled with bias. They'll go on and on.
Welcome home. Back in reality, guys.
Poor girl with that orange.
Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. 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 Goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye-bye.
She'll have a veiling golden gold. We don't wanna
There we go.
We don't wanna be fighting. We don't wanna
Oh dear.
running from the sun. We don't wanna keep trying. We can stand the denying.
We're gonna get our luggage.
Wanna be
Our immigration course, guys.
Cause we would die to have a place like home.
Isa naman tayo sa katotohanan, guys. Oh dear. There we go.
We would die to have a place like home. Stranger says we don't want our armors, but they don't get. We can choose, 'cause we're like one, like one, like one, like one. We don't wanna be running. She don't wanna be fighting. We don't wanna be running from the sun. He don't wanna keep trying. She don't wanna deny it. We don't wanna be running from the sun. 'Cause we would die to have a place like home.
Oh, ganda. Ako. Tulog na ako natulog sa biyahe.
And we just
Nampak pa rin ako.
wanna
Dito na tayo. Pwede tulog tayo. Para wala na tayong dalawang
from the sun.
Ako na kung yung babae.
Cause we would die to
Mahirap humihina na tayo. Darating yung time na hindi na tayo pwedeng bumiyahe. Yan, sa mga ganito. Teka lang, may mga elevator, escalator. Taas natin. Kasi medyo maganda yung panahon ngayon dito. Dumating tayo sa UK. Mukhang hindi naman malamig. Kasi sa ngayon naka-t-shirt lang din ako. Although nasa loob pa ako ng airport, of course. There's immigration. We don't know where our luggage. So we get a card first. Oh, I can see the first one, guys. There you go. There's the first one. Just wait for the second one. I can see our second luggage. Nakuha na natin yung dalawang luggage natin, guys. So that's it. We have to go. Palabas na tayo. So dito na lang tayo sa bus station natin, guys. This is alas 8 pa naman yung bus natin. So hanapin lang natin. So yan, dito na tayo sa London officially. At alas 6 tayo naglanding. Ngayon nandito na tayo, palabas na tayo ng airport. Okay guys, yun lang. Puntahan lang natin yung ating bus station. Tingin ko malamig na sa labas. Tingin ko dapat mag-jacket na tayo. Ayan. Malamig na nga. Aba ang pila. Terminal 2. Wala tayo sa bus. Left seat tayo. Tayo sa C. Tayo sa bus central bus station tayo mga Sampalenyo. Bus station mga Sampalenyo. So wala naman tayo naging problema sa mga bagahe natin. Hindi naman na-check yung mga dala natin. So ngayon pupunta na tayo sa bus station. So, wala naman tayong sundo. So dito tayo sa bus station. Alas 8 pa yung bus natin mga Sampalenyo. So may oras pa tayo para kumain. Tingin lang tayo kung anong makakain natin dyan, okay? Pero tingnan natin yung schedule ng bus natin. Pero nakalagay sa atin na alas 8 pa.
Caution, on exiting the conveyor, do not block the platform.